Today I'm gonna narrate you the extraordinary person's extraordinary struggle. The person whom you see today as glamorous, best dancer, best actor, had a very tough time to make it a reality. It's never easy to be like Hrithik when you have a difficulty of stammering. Can anyone imagine the one who has stammering disease could ever become an actor, and amazingly like Hrithik Roshan? In Hrithik Roshan words, everything seems normal until you start talking. You get stuck and you don't know why. Right from your toes to the ends of your hair strands, you are in complete shock. Your heart palpitates. You don't understand and you are aware of people looking at you. You can compare it to hell. According to him, stammering problem was from 6 to 35 age. In his childhood, he faced many difficulties. For oral test at school, he used to bunk school. He used to fall sick. He used to break his hand. He used to get a sprain. Once he was going through speech therapy and personal practices sessions. He once had to practice for 36 hours just so he could tell his cook what he wanted to eat. You can imagine how he worked hard. Also, it gave the heart-wrenching story of when the actor had difficulty on the occasion of accepting his first acting award in what is the Indian equivalent of the Oscars. I was getting the best debut actor for my first movie in Dubai, and I wanted to say I love you Dubai in my speech at the award function, but I couldn't say Dubai. I wanted to practice saying Dubai, but for that I had to scream Dubai loudly. I couldn't do that in my hotel room because my voice was being heard outside. I went to the bathroom and yelled Dubai, but even then it could be heard by people outside. Thankfully there was a big cupboard in the room. I locked myself up in the cupboard and practiced saying Dubai. Finally at the awards function, I was able to say that with a flow. These are the words of the Hrithik Roshan about struggle when he was receiving his first prize for the best debut actor. When Hrithik decided that he had to overcome his stammering, he joined speech therapy classes. With determined perseverance and willpower, Hrithik could overcome his speech disorder. He used to repeat all the alphabets in different manners so as to have a strong grip on pronunciation, thereby boosting his confidence levels. He used to practice in front of a mirror, alone in a room for long hours to improve his speech skills. He used to practice and still does for long hours. He is also quite open about his speech disorder, and this openness without a feeling of shame or guilt has in turn made him more confident in front of people. Hrithik still practices speech therapy every day for an hour or as to prevent relapsing into speech disorder again. Hrithik is now a role model for his fans and truly an inspiration for all those people who have stammering problems. He made national headlines in early 2011 by disclosing that every book he reads is read aloud. One article says, Hrithik loves to read each book aloud from midday. Hrithik Roshan is a voracious reader and devours most books he sets his eyes on. But what sets him apart from other obsessive compulsive readers is that he reads everything aloud from books. Novels to magazines, that's been the case since childhood. He was able to overcome stammering by reading aloud and stressing on pronunciation and articulation. Be it a novel, book, magazine, or anything of the written word, Hrithik reads it loudly to himself, page by page, as recommended by a speech therapist. As the starring roles, Best Actor awards and fame continued to escalate, the Bollywood phenomenon did not let up one bit in citing his personal example as a way to help others who stutter, particularly children. Always speaking about his struggles with stuttering, there was a much media coverage in November 2008 when the actor appeared at the Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai to inaugurate the hospital's audio and speech therapy wing, of which he was a major financial benefactor. Commenting on what the media called a walk down memory lane, Roshan stated, "All the memories of my past difficulties came spilling out at Nanavati. When I met my doctor, who treated me at the age of 14 for stammering, I could barely control my emotions. It's not easy to be a special child." He also added about his messages to kids, "I got over it, so will you?" I think it's very important for me to convey this message far and wide, and I wanted to do it more often. Conclusion: the man behind the screen is the real Hrithik, who worked harder on his weakness and practiced without any worry despite facing many difficulties. He struggled, but he went on and came out as a superhero you today see as Hrithik Roshan. He has shown that one can overcome anything in life with just a strong willpower. Hrithik Roshan was just an example. Now the magical equation for Hrithik Roshan is that with the help of speech therapy, addition to continuous efforts, and addition to strong willpower, his equation resulted in being a fluent speaker. So the stammering problem was dropped away from his life for forever. But he did not take his stammering problem lightly. You can imagine this line by just remembering that Hrithik Roshan still practices speech therapy for 1 hour even today. He converted his stammering weaknesses to toughness. Hats off to Hrithik Roshan.